Hey there everyone, it's Brandon Grass with Remax Kelowna. On our next installment on our community tour series, I'm going to be taking you on a tour of Sunrise Village on Raymer Avenue in Kelowna. It's in the Springfield Spall neighborhood, close to Gooshigan Village, the shopping mall. I'll link in the description all of the shopping and stores that are located inside that mall. There's a pharmacy, Starbucks, Chevron gas station, liquor store, all local amenities that you would need if you were, in a hurry or out and about, within close proximity. This is not a gated community. There's no RV parking, so you would have to do off-site RV parking. Maybe you got friends or family that you can park it there for free. Most of the homes here are, actually all the homes here are leasehold. So it's a corporate owned leasehold. I'll be doing a video series on corporate leases and what that entails. But basically what that means is you pay a monthly rental fee for your pad rental, for your lot area. So you actually don't own the physical land, the dirt that the property sits on. So it is kind of like a leasehold situation. It is titled leasehold, but strata rules still apply, so it is a bare land strata. So it's a little bit confusing. If you need more information on that, just reach out. I'd be happy to explain it in greater detail and get you any more information. But this is a great option. It's very, very desirable. There is a little bit higher of a monthly fee associated with living here, but residents don't seem to mind or complain because they love the location. It's right in the heart of everything. Minutes to everything that, Lower Mission, whether it be downtown Kelowna, wherever you're going, you're, 5 to 10 minutes pretty well in any direction. So it's a really great central location and very nice community. It is 45 plus. Pets are allowed with restrictions. I believe it's one dog or one cat at this time presently. If that updates, I will post the latest updates in the description. So check back there. If this is an old video, 2-3 years down the road, check in the description if you want updated information or to view any listings in here at any time. Give me a call at 250-212-5672. I'd love to help you, and thanks for watching and enjoy.